What's good, pretties? Welcome back to my channel. As always, it's Pretty My, aka My, and I'm here with another hair video. This time we're doing something different and we're going to be styling this hair because I'm trying to get more creative. I don't know if y'all peeped in my last couple videos, but we're not just installing, we're doing a ton of other things now. Like, if you didn't see it already, check out my last video. We did a half up, half down, and it's so cute. So I decided to do another creative style. Not creative, but you know, I tried to do another style that we don't typically do every time we install a wig. And I tried this 2-braid method with like the gold clips, and I feel like it came out so pretty. But of course, y'all let me know what y'all think, and if you're interested in learning how to do this and how I install this wig and like all the information on the wig, of course, stay tuned and keep watching. Sadly, this video is a voiceover, so I won't be talking during it as much, and I'm sorry, I know y'all love my voice, but I had to like get through this, so it's a voiceover. But definitely let me know what y'all think down below as always, and let me know if you guys like how my hair came out and any tips you have or whatever. But keep watching if you're interested in how to get your hair like this. Alright y'all, so I'm starting by parting out the baby hairs in the front, obviously on both sides. I'm gonna only be showing y'all one braid and then I'm gonna do the other one off camera, but this is how I did the one. So first I had to hot comb the baby hairs forward so they wouldn't get braided in. And then I hot combed the regular hair back just so I wouldn't accidentally cut it while I was doing my baby hairs. And then I just cut the baby hairs as usual. I'm using the FOG foaming mousse to just hold them down, and then we're going to tie it down with an elastic band. And finally, we're moving on to the hair. So the first step is to take a wax stick. I'm just using one from the beauty supply store. I recommend doing the whole hairline at once and not each braid in sections. So I just hot comb the whole entire hairline back, straight back, just so that the braid will be sleeker at the base. And then I'm parting out my first braid. So I made my section a little big. I didn't even show you guys. I'm gonna show you after the braid's done, but I made my section a little big. First you wanna brush it out, and then we're gonna just braid it. But I do go back off camera and make this section smaller, but it's the same exact method. So I'm just literally braiding straight down the hairline, and when I parted it, I just parted a straight part all the way down to the end of the lace. So as you can see, it was quick and easy. I'm not gonna lie, I did try to do this braid like 3 times over, so it's not as easy as it looks, but it's definitely simple if you know how to braid. I'm not very good at braiding, but yeah, as you can see, this braid is kind of chunky. I feel like it would have been cute now that I'm looking at it, but I just had to make it smaller, so I made it a little smaller. But the next step is to use the same wax and just hot comb the area behind the braid back so that the braid is more defined by itself and there's not a bunch of hair on top of it. And I also hot combed the part. So yeah, that's it for this braid. As you can see, it looks chunky, it's cute, whatever. I'm gonna do the next one off camera, and then we're adding these gold clips to both of them. I did them 1 clip at a time on each braid so that they could be symmetrical as possible. And I feel like it came out really cute. I just used 3 on each side. And also, if you notice, the braids are smaller than the first one. So now that that's done, that's literally all that there is to the braiding part. Now I'm just installing it. I'm not really going to talk during this part. I literally just put a video up on how I do the got to be method. So if you're interested in knowing how I use only the spray and install my wigs, then you can go watch that. But I'm pretty much just going to speed through this part real quick. So now that everything's cut off, we can finally do the baby hairs. As you can see, I'm taking the front baby hairs and then I'm cutting them shorter because I wanted to do the method where it's just like they're shorter baby hairs at the top. And by the way, because I know somebody gonna ask, I'm using Eco Styler gel, regular Eco Styler, and no, my lace isn't lifting. The Eco Styler holds it down in addition to the Got To Be spray. So as long as you wrap it after you're done with this part, you should be fine. So yeah, I'm gonna wrap my hair up now with a silk scarf. And while that's tied up, I'm just gonna be defining the curls. I'm just using water and Afro-G foaming mousse. This mousse is like my favorite product right now. I literally just got it and I never used to use it in my curly hair, probably like once or twice, but I came back to it because it's just the easiest way to style your hair. Like, it literally took me 5 minutes to do this. But once my hair is saturated and everything dried on my baby hairs, I went and just combed them out, and then I'm literally done. That's the end of the tutorial. Alright y'all, so this is how my hair is looking. I literally love this hair, the curl pattern, the freaking lace. Like, I love this hair. If you want to be honest, I'm gonna just say buy it right now. Like, buy it right now. Go to the link down below and literally buy it right now because this hair is gorgeous. If you guys noticed, I used Afro-G mousse instead of Eco Styler because I didn't want to clump the curls too much because I like how they look like this. And I think I'm gonna start using the mousse more. I just recently bought it, which is why I haven't been using it before. But yeah, I'm in love with this freaking hairstyle. Like, it's so different. I have seen other influencers do it before, of course. The only person I've ever seen do the gold clips is Sam Miami on YouTube. I'm gonna go through the box with y'all real quick and then I'm gonna give you my final review, even though I'm sure you already know what I'm about to say about this hair because it's literally fire. Like, but as y'all saw in the title, this hair is from Westkiss hair and it is, I believe, 26 inches long. In the box, all you get is the bag of the hair and then the silk bag if you like storing your hair in this, and then the little information card that comes with most hair company hair. That's all we get with this packaging, but honestly, I'm gonna let the hair speak for itself. I mean, and then for this to be a Got To Be installation and it's just looking this melted. Imagine if you use glue on their lace, it would literally be laid as fuck. Like, as always, y'all know I bleached and plucked the knots. Obviously it did come with pre-plucked and it came with baby hairs out, but other than that, I did everything else. If you guys have any video requests, leave them down below. Somebody did request that I do reinstalling wigs that are old, or like not old, but like have been worn and have the lace cut off. So I'll be doing that hopefully soon. But other than that, subscribe if you're new, and if you old, you should be subscribed. But if you're not, subscribe. Okay, get me to my next goal is 20k. We're not even small no more. We're not even for 16, 17. No, my next goal is 20k. We're gonna get to 20k on here, and of course I do have a 15k giveaway coming up for you guys. I know I keep saying that and we're already growing fast because we're almost at 16k, but I have a lot going on right now with this pandemic and working on here and stuff. So give me a second, but I swear I have so many things coming for you guys just for getting me to 15k. I don't want to give away too much. That's all for this video, but stay safe. I love y'all and bye.